healthcare by enabling doctors to see deep in the body. Yeah, I mean, under the right hands, we can use technology like this for good, but we
Franco's
don't live
reading
in
the
that kind of
teleprompter.
society right now, especially
You can
with the
tell by
current middle
that
class that
human
we have.
typewriter
And then the
movement.
cons are that weapons will become dangerous and spying
He
worsens.
can now see
Is it worth it?
Marcus. He can see the
Marcus, what are your
guess
thoughts?
by looking over to that
My thing
towards
is,
his
if
name.
you have a grasp of, because this
Marcus
is
Cage looks
like I
straightforward
was reading
to
some of
read
the
a
comments last time I
teleprompter.
was on, and somebody said in there, they were like, oh, the conversation got into like a weird religious area, and it's like,
Right there.
well, like me and Shadow Ben were saying, it's not for you guys to
Right
believe
there.
this
He's
stuff.
reading.
You have to understand what the elites who are doing things, what they believe in.
The
How
deception
they
is that he's talking directly
and that's
to
far more
Franco
important than what
as
you
if they're in a
actually
Zoom
believe, because
meeting.
he's been talking about a lot of this stuff
No, he has to look
all
down
the
toward his
time.
name to
And
see
and this
Franco,
all
the
ties
same
in with the
type of corner.
Agenda 2030, where, like I was saying, last
All
time
of
I was
these
on,
shows
the
are
elites,
scripted.
they do care about control, and
If you look
they
at
realize
them
that
and try to get a feel for these
we are not
people,
going to be
they're
happy with
military.
the direction that things are going in.
You can see it in their
So what they
body,
have to
the
do is
tension.
they have to find a way to keep us,
You can tell he
you
was
know,
reading right there, the way he
keep the angry
stuttered.
masses calm and placated. And so what they'll do is they will find ways to
You can tell when
use
someone's
these different
reading.
technologies
He didn't
to
stutter, it
placate us.
was
And
like
so
a
one of those is with
hitch.
this nanotechnology. They will be
Eyebrows.
able to, yes, like Thomas said, be able to use
I
it
noticed
in
an
healthcare to be
there's
able to
something
maybe
asymmetrical
find
with his
tumors and cancers
jaw,
and all kind of different things
too.
in your bodies. But another thing they're also going to be able to do is they're always going to be
His
able
face is
to
showing
talk to you.
signs of
Another
drug
thing is,
use.
what if they decide that they want to use it for even
The tardive
more
dyskinesia, right?
nefarious means, to
The
actually
door,
plant
Elwood,
something into you,
that thing with the
so
jaw.
that the pharmaceutical
Lee
companies
Camp.
can have you coming back for more? What if they
This
decide
guy's
that they
got
want
it
to
pretty
put something
bad.
in to just kind of sterilize you so that you're not
The
able
more
to?
he talks, the
We don't know
more
the application
his
of what
jaws,
these people are doing, and
he can't
don't
control his
ever take
jaw.
the time to try to understand
G.W.
who
Bush
these
was
people
always
are, what they
doing
believe.
something with his jaw.
Then you won't see any of these
The old
things
Latham
that they're
person
trying to
up in
do. I
that
mean,
corner there,
I know we talked about like AOC
she
and
has an
all these different
IMDb
politicians and stuff
page.
like that earlier. But you got to remember, all of these people are only
The L.
little
Latham and the
tiny
Marcus
mouthpieces
Cage
for these
came
people
over
who are
to my
way,
channel
way
here and they
above
were
them.
harassing
All
me.
these politicians are fought and paid for. And so this
I don't
technology
see how
that
it's
they're going
my
to be
fault that they're
all of it's going
scripted.
to lead to more, was it
How's it
virtual
my fault
reality,
that his
more
head movements
simulation?
are showing exactly where he's reading
Another video,
from a
and sorry, I keep
teleprompter?
shamelessly plugging myself, but
Why is it my fault that
Feel
they
free to do it,
fake
man. You're the guest.
look at each
a
other
lot of this technology,
when they're reading off the
they've been
teleprompters?
trying to put it in front of us for a long time,
See his
so that they can get
head
us
going
used to it.
left to right.
For instance, like you talked about with the cell phones, if we have the cell phones always around us and always,
No one moves their head,
always
bobs
used to
their head
having it,
around
it
like
gets
that
us
in real
used
life.
to
They're
that
all
function.
doing it on every show.
Then
They're
it'll
all
get to a point where they say, well, all you
anti-vax.
got to do is,
They're all
if you use this little
predictable,
nanotechnology,
harassing
you don't even have to use
the squad.
headsets anymore. You could just push a little button on the back of your ear and be able to hear music or hear communication.
This guy had his
Or
comment thrown
instead,
into the
maybe it can
offensive
actually,
spam
that
ban.
nanotechnology
He
can
called
make
me
it
a
so you can
dumbass.
actually see whatever videos you want without needing your phone at all. Where it's
He's an
also gonna
anonymous
be in a
coward. He
virtual,
couldn't even
sense. So
introduce
so many
himself.
applications they can do with these technologies, especially since they have so much of them
He
on
was
patent
stringing me
protection, that we
along,
don't
asking me
know
about
the full
himself
capabilities
without
and
identifying
ramifications.
himself.
Go ahead.
Yeah, like
She
Bluetooth,
showed up. This
like,
woman
the
hosts
Bluetooth
Convo
and
Couch,
now
protest
AirPods,
the
like
Assange,
getting
those
people used to
protest
that technology,
videos.
used to
She
that
hosts them on her
convenience.
channel.
Oh, you don't want
She's
to
got a
have
background
wired
to herself.
headphones that
She's
you
on in
have
Hollywood.
to fumble with the wires.
It's very odd.
Just
I
put it in
suppose
your
I
ear.
thank them for this,
You
but
don't
they're
know
such
where
low
that
lying
mic.
fruit.
You don't know
Even Franco is
who is listening
useless.
on that mic.
He gets maybe
And
200
you don't know,
views of late.
a lot about
No one
the technology
cares.
that you use.
They're
But,
too
you got
obviously
Vault 7,
fake.
the release
Got
from
exposed.
WikiLeaks,
That Boogaloo
and
stuff.
it
It's just a
put a lot of
stupid
that out there
military
that they
shell
had
psyop targeting
put in
Assange's,
before it even went out
Snowden's,
to the customer.
Manning's, and
Like, they
Hannings,
had
and anyone
things
else
implanted
who
in
they think is
the
disgruntled.
technology.